Have you ever made these travel mistakes? If you have, you're not alone. Every year, travelers fall into the same traps, turning what should be a relaxing getaway into a stressful ordeal. But don't worry, a little knowledge can go a long way in preventing these common pitfalls. First on our list is booking flights on unreliable websites. It may be tempting to grab that too good to be true deal, but remember, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. Unreliable websites might not have the necessary security measures in place, which could leave your personal and financial data vulnerable. Always verify the legitimacy of a site before making a purchase. Next up, we have the mistake of using public chargers. Picture this. Your phone battery is dwindling and you spot a public charging station. It seems like a lifesaver, right? Wrong. Public chargers can compromise your data security. Instead, consider investing in a charge-only cable, which allows your device to charge without transferring data. Thirdly, leaving your AirDrop settings vulnerable. AirDrop can be a convenient way to share files, but it can also leave your device open to cyber threats if not properly secured. Make sure to adjust your settings so that only contacts can send you files, or even better, turn off AirDrop when you're not using it. Fourth, handing your phone to strangers for photos. We all want that perfect shot for our social media, but handing your phone to a stranger is risky business. Not only could you lose your phone, but you could also lose all the photos and personal information stored on it. Consider investing in a selfie stick or tripod to get that perfect shot without the risks. Lastly, not checking roaming rates before traveling. Mobile service limitations can vary widely from country to country, and you don't want to come home to a hefty phone bill. Always check your mobile service providers' roaming rates and policies before you leave. So, there you have it. 5 common travel mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, a little preparation can go a long way in ensuring a stress-free vacation. Be smart, be safe, and happy travels.